हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू दिस चैनल। आज की वीडियो में इंग्लिश रीडिंग की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, सो लेट्स बिगिन। रोहन is a 24-year-old young man who lives in Delhi. He works in a private company. Today is Monday and Rohan's day starts early in the morning. At 6 a.m., Rohan wakes up when his alarm rings. He opens his eyes slowly and stretches his arms. The room is still a little dark, but sunlight is coming through the window. Rohan gets out of the bed and folds his blanket neatly. After that, Rohan goes to the bathroom to brush his teeth. He uses a toothbrush and mint flavored toothpaste. The fresh taste of mint makes him feel awake. He washes his face with cool water and feels ready to start his day. Then he takes a short shower. At 6:30 a.m., Rohan changes into his exercise clothes, a t-shirt and track pants. He goes to the park near his home for a morning walk. The park is peaceful. There are a few people walking, jogging, and doing yoga. The air is fresh, and Rohan enjoys the sound of birds singing in the trees. He walks for 20 minutes and then does some light stretching. By 7 a.m., Rohan returns home. He drinks a glass of warm water and then makes his breakfast. Today, he is eating poha with peanuts and fresh coriander leaves. He also makes a cup of hot tea. While eating, he listens to the news on the radio. This is his way of staying updated with what is happening in the world. After breakfast, Rohan gets ready for work. Before leaving, he checks his bag to make sure he has his wallet, ID card, and lunchbox. At 8 a.m., Rohan locks the door and walks to the bus stop. The bus arrives after 10 minutes. It is a little crowded, but Rohan finds a seat near the window. He enjoys looking outside at the shops, markets, and people going about their morning routines. By 9 a.m., Rohan reaches his office. He greets the security guard with a smile and goes to his desk. He turns on his laptop and starts checking emails. His work involves preparing reports, making calls, and attending meetings. He works carefully and tries to finish each task on time. At 1 p.m., it is lunchtime. Rohan opens his lunchbox. Today, he has roti, vegetable curry, and some salad. He eats with his colleagues. After lunch, Rohan returns to work. The afternoon is quiet and he focuses on his assignments. Sometimes he takes a short tea break with his friend Priya. At 5:30 p.m., Rohan finishes his work, turns off his laptop, and leaves the office. He takes the bus back home. The bus is more crowded in the evening, but Rohan doesn't mind. He listens to music on his phone and watches the sunset from the window. By 6:30 p.m., Rohan reaches home. He changes into comfortable clothes and waters the plants on his balcony. The small green plants make him happy. Then he prepares a light snack, a plate of biscuits, and another cup of tea. While having his snack, he calls his parents on the phone and asks about their day. In the evening, Rohan spends some time reading a book. Today, he is reading a simple English novel to improve his vocabulary. At 8 p.m., he begins to cook dinner. He makes dal, rice, and a small portion of potato curry. After dinner, Rohan washes the dishes and cleans the kitchen. He then sits on the sofa and watches television for a while. He likes watching travel shows because they show different cultures and beautiful places. By 10 p.m., Rohan feels sleepy. He brushes his teeth again, washes his face, and sets the alarm for the next morning. Before sleeping, he spends a few minutes thinking about the day and making a plan for tomorrow. Finally, Rohan lies down in bed, turns off the light, and slowly falls asleep. His day is complete and he is ready for another morning to come.